We've been using Book Creator for many years in our school to create amazing digital books. But one thing that always happens is the students really love having an actual printed copy of their book. I'm going to show you the steps that we used to print our recent book. This was a collaborative writing project that we did with a junior class. So right now I'm in our Book Creator library for the class, and you can see here I've got this creative writing book. We combined all the stories into one giant book, and I'm going to show you how we went through the process of printing it. So the first step is to click the share button. Then you're going to click print. This will open it up into a new window. May take a couple minutes depending on the size of the book. And then you're going to click download. So once it was downloaded, I went into Adobe Photoshop. I opened up the file. Now this was our class book, so it's quite large, and it's on Pages when it opens up, and that's what you want to leave it on. You'll notice that the resolution is 400 pixels per inch, and I found that that was really great for the quality. The books ended up printing beautifully. And then at this point, what you can do is you can select all the pages at once, or you can select some of them, and then you're going to click OK. Because we had so many pages, I used a lot of shortcuts to try and speed up the process. This is a little bit time consuming, but the results are worth it. So the first thing you do is you go to File, Automate, and then Crop and Straighten Photos. And then you're going to hit File and Save, or the shortcut is the Command S key on the Mac. When I save it, make sure it's on JPEG. And then I ended up creating a folder on my desktop for all the pages. And then I also numbered them so that it would be easy to order once I put them in the online printing program. So you could start by saying this is the title and then go in order 1, 2, 3, 4, however you want to format it. And then click OK. Once you've saved it, I just closed the file. So the shortcut for that is Command W. And I don't need to save it because I already have. And then I went on to the next one. So again, it's File, Automate, Crop and Straighten Photos. Once that's done, then I use the shortcut Command S to save it. This one I'm going to call 1. Make sure that it's on JPEG, save, and click OK. And then I can close these two files. And I just went through it sort of step by step like that till I got through the whole book. It won't take that long, especially if you get familiar with the shortcuts. Once you've saved all your photo images, then all you have to do is select where you want to print the photos. So we are in Toronto, and I found a great company called Picto, and it's really easy to use. The first step is just to upload the photos. I've already got some sample photos in here, but you would click and you would choose to upload them from wherever you saved them on your computer. And then the layout. So what I do for all the books is I use this full page layout. When we start working on projects, I always tell the students not to put anything too close to the edges, whether it be the text or the images, just so that if you go to this process of printing the book, you're not going to have things cut off. There might be some minor tweaking, but once you do that, it's a drag and drop. So this part is really quick to kind of fill up your pages, and then you would just save, and then in this program I just hit order, and those are the steps.